So what does $975,000 get you? Hey guys, I'm Nate. So today we're going to be doing some POV driving in the manual Hellcat Challenger with a twist. We're going to go and see, specifically in Coral Gables by the University of Miami, what $1 million buys you if you're looking for a new house. And to clarify, $1 million, my range is $900,000 to $1.1 million. Let's go see what we find. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Some of these houses, I bet you those houses aren't $1 million. Like a $10 million house. Wow, it's gorgeous. Oh, this is the famous Biltmore Hotel and Golf Course. This is absolutely beautiful. They used to do a great fireworks show. Don't know if they're still doing that. And they also had an exceptional Sunday brunch. There's beautiful houses here. All right, so we're coming up to one of them right now. This one is listed at $900,000. So
your destination is on the right.
I guess you're balling on a budget. This is what you're going to look at. Well, yeah, this was it. It's 1,200 square feet, $900,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage converted to an office. So I haven't even got anywhere to put the Hellcat. This is what $900,000 buys you, though, in Coral Gables. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh, and that's on a 10,000 square foot lot, which is quarter acre, which is, I guess, pretty large for the Gables. All right, we're coming up to the next one here. I don't know what it is about all these streets that I'm doing these drives on, that they got tree work or some work going on today. All right, this is the next one. So this one's $975,000. Another 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,900 square foot house, so a little bit bigger, on a 7,000 square foot lot built in 1969. But it's got 2-car garage, space for the cat and the Prius. All right, coming on the next one here.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh, look, this one actually has a sign, well, contract pending. So this one is just over $1 million. $1,050,000. Another 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,700 square foot on this one, an 8,000 square foot lot, built in 1953, and you got a 1-car garage, so space for the cat. All right, coming up to another one here. It's another very narrow road here.
Nation is on the left.
All right, this is it, guys. That's a lady out front. I don't want to stop in the car, stop outside and scare her. But that one was another $1,050,000 house, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot on a 6,000 square foot lot. That one had a 2-car garage, but it was said it was air conditioned. So I don't know anyone else crazy like me that would air condition a garage for their car. So maybe it's been converted. All right, so we're coming up to the next one. This one's gonna be a drive-by because this is actually a pretty busy street. It's a pretty busy intersection here. So this is what $975,000 buys you. See this corner lot here that's all fenced in? There's nothing there. That's an empty lot. So what $975,000 buys you on that lot is it buys you the lot and plans to build a 5,500 square foot house. So it buys you a lot and some paper. Wow, that sounds like a lot for a lot. So I don't know if you guys noticed this, but on every house that we saw here in the Gables, they did not have a sign, or one had a very small sign on it. And I think that's because Gables is very particular about signage, pretty much anything. You can't have a dilapidated car in your driveway. So if you're thinking about putting that project car that you're working on driveway in your new Gables $1 million house, forget about it. So you're gonna want to check out these next videos, and I'll see you there. Thanks, bye.